Welcome to the Michigan Style Channel, the online show that proves Michigan has style. Today we are at Wooden Hangers in Royal Oak, Michigan, a contemporary men's and women's clothing store. On our show, we're going to have an interview with store owner Jeremy Roy. We'll also have makeup tips from makeup artist Julie Javiro, a hairstyle from hairstylist Melanie Stevenson, and we're also going to have a men's accessories rundown. So keep watching. Hi Jeremy.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you so much for having us in your store. It's beautiful.
No problem.
Good. So tell us about Wooden Hangers. What is it all about?
Wooden Hangers is a men and women clothing store that offers a wide variety of men and women clothing and accessories.
That's great. Can you give us a quick tour of the store?
Sure. This side here is our women's side. Starting from the spring, summer, on up to the fall and winter stuff.
Okay, that's nice. What is your sizing like in your women's store?
Our sizing goes anywhere from a small to a extra 2XL.
Tell us about the unique selection of European designers that you offer here.
We offer a wide variety of different European collections, from Montreal to Paris to Spain.
So tell me something unique and special about your store.
Well, we try to be customer oriented, so we have a lot of things that you can custom order from our store.
That's great. What are some special services that you offer here at Wooden Hangers?
We do a customer appreciation. Next month we're doing breast cancer month.
Oh
For the
wow.
whole month of October.
Okay.
And also we do wine tastings.
That's awesome. So we have one more question for you, Jeremy. Who does your store cater to?
Our store caters to the person that is really stylish.
Okay.
Not so much as a trend follower, but a person that understands about putting together pieces to fit their own style.
Okay. Yeah, that's really evident from what I see here. Thank you so much for this great interview. And we have some more fun coming up for you here at Wooden Hangers. Okay, men, I know sometimes it seems like women get all the attention when it comes to fashion, but these days men's style is really moving to the forefront. And one of the greatest things are the improvements with men's accessories. Today men have stylish selections with scarves, hats, belts, ascots, you name it. But one of the problems is that a lot of men don't like to experiment. They find one style that they like and they stick with it for decades. So, I want to challenge you to add 2 new accessories categories to your wardrobe. You can start with maybe a fedora hat, you can start with maybe a couple scarves, or maybe some sleek sunglasses. Accessories is a great way to spruce up your wardrobe with minimal effort. And Wooden Hangers has an excellent selection of men's accessories, so come in soon. Now we're going to check in with makeup artist Julie Javiro. Hey Julie.
Hello.
What are you doing with Pauletta's face?
Today we did smoky eye with jewel tone colors, which is in for the fall. We did some emerald greens up here. We did some like amethyst color, light peach glossy lips. And that's about it. And we airbrushed her.
Okay. How does airbrushing differ from traditional makeup application?
Essentially, it's the same thing. It just has a different way of going on. It's from HD TV, how that is seen in pixels. That's basically how the foundation goes on. It's a lot lighter weight, so people who don't like to wear makeup generally like wearing it for weddings. Staying power too is about 12 to 16 hours, so
wow.
It's pretty bulletproof once it's on. So a lot of guys like it.
So what are some makeup trends that are hot this fall?
This fall is going to be mostly what you see on her. There's going to be some others, but This is going to be the smokier eyes with more jewel tone colors, so any colors you feel comfortable with. We did green, amethyst colors. Instead of lots of blush, it's going to be more about complexion and highlighting this time. And simple lips, or the polar opposite is going to be the wine stained lips. That's going to be your biggest trends for this fall.
Thank you, Julie.
You're welcome.
Hey Melanie.
Hey Serena.
How are you?
Great, and you?
Good. Tell us about what you're doing with Pauletta's hair.
Well, basically I gave Pauletta a mohawk.
Okay.
And mohawks are very versatile, especially around the summer and fall season.
Okay.
Not so much the winter, because most want to keep their hair to stay warm.
Right. Can you give us some advice on what hair trends are hot this fall for men and women?
Okay, well basically loose curls, sleek, long layers, and updos and ponytails are good for the fall season.
Awesome. So give us some tips on keeping our hair looking healthy as it gets colder.
Okay, well most want to wear hats during the winter, but I definitely recommend that if you do use a hat, make sure that it's satin, cotton, or either a silk, because and don't make sure that it's not too tight. I do recommend that you purchase moisturizing shampoos and conditioners that will nourish the hair, and maybe hot oil treatments every now and then also I definitely would have anyone to consult with their cosmetologist.
Thanks, Melanie. You did a great job.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Thanks again for watching. Be sure to view our credits to get information on Wooden Hangers, Melanie Stevenson, Julie DeBiro, and our models. And if you're interested in being featured on the Michigan Style Channel, email us, michiganstylechanel@gmail.com. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook. And remember, Michigan has style. And I'm your host and stylist, Sharina Osai. Bye-bye.